Welcome to the in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll and tap here to the sounds and vibration section. Now just to unmute our device ringtone, you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger on this volume panel. And also we can do this by the second way. Just first be sure that in volume button control you got selected the ringtone, not the media. And now just by press your up volume button, you can also unmute your device ringtone. And also we can do it by third way, just by use this volume panel and swipe manually with our finger to the up this white dot. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.